Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate custard in a simple, beautiful and delicious way. It's quick to prepare and turns out rich and smooth every time. Let me walk you through the ingredients and the steps. Ingredients needed: chocolate, about 50 grams. Sugar, about 4 tablespoons or to your taste. Custard powder, 4 tablespoons. Butter, 2 tablespoons. Half a liter of milk. How to prepare? Start by pouring the milk into a small cooking pot. Add the custard powder and mix while using a hand whisk until the custard is fully dissolved. Place the pot on low heat. Add the sugar. Then the chocolate, and finally the butter. Keep stirring continuously until the mixture thickens and the chocolate melts completely. Once your custard is nice and thick, pour it into serving cups or glasses. Place it in the fridge and let it chill for a while, about half an hour, until fully set and cooled. To serve. Once chilled, you can decorate it however you like. Then it's ready to enjoy. Now that the chocolate custard is ready, I hope you'll give it a try. It's smooth, creamy, and full of rich chocolate flavor. Honestly, it's one of those recipes you'll find yourself making again and again whenever you need a quick dessert that still feels special. I always love sharing recipes that mean something to me, things I actually make in my own kitchen and enjoy with my family. Cooking, for me, is more than just following steps. It's about those warm moments, those comforting smells filling the house, and the memories we create while making something simple and good. If you do try the recipe, I'd truly love to hear how it turned out for you. Let me know in the comments.